In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to connect your Nintendo Switch controller to your iPad for Fortnite. So let's get started. Now you want to start by making sure your iPad is running a recent version of iPad OS, since controller support depends on system updates. And once that's confirmed, unlock your iPad and open the settings app. Now you want to go to your Bluetooth option right on the left side and make sure your Bluetooth is turned on, and then leave the screen open so your iPad can select and detect the nearby controllers once they're in their pairing mode. Now you want to go ahead and pick up your Nintendo Switch controller. If you're using Joy-Cons, remove them from the Switch console or grip first. To put them into pairing mode, you want to go ahead and press the hold the small sync button on the side of the Joy-Con. And by the side, I mean these. Oops, that's quite big. Okay. Let's make that small. Okay. By side, I mean these side parts right here. On each of the Joy-Cons, you'll find them. So I'll show you how that looks like. So like this. Now the pairing button here is this right here. One on each Joy-Con. Between your these two main buttons, which are used for playing the game. And once you go ahead and hold them, you want to wait for the LED flashlights to flash, to blink on and off. And once that's happening, that means your Joy-Cons are in pairing mode, and that means they're now detectable by your iPad's Bluetooth detector. So once that's done, you can just go ahead and connect your Joy-Cons. They should show on under available devices as Joy-Cons left and Joy-Cons right. Now, if you have a Switch Pro controller, then on the top part of the Switch controller right here, which is this, it's quite blurry, but there is a small button right here. You want to go ahead and hold that until again the light starts flashing on the controller, and that means it's in pairing mode. And then you will find under your Bluetooth other devices, you'll find Pro Controller appear. You want to go ahead and tap on the controller name and wait briefly while the connection completes. Once connected, the flashing lights on the controller will stop, confirming that it's successfully paired with your iPad. And after the controller is connected, you can go ahead and open Fortnite on your iPad and let the game load fully into the lobby. Fortnite supports controllers natively, so there's no need to install extra apps or change system settings. Once you're in the main menu, move one of the joysticks or press a button on the controller, and the game will automatically switch from touch controls to controller input. You will notice the menu navigation instantly responding to the controller. And from now on, your Switch controller will reconnect automatically whenever Bluetooth is enabled on your iPad and the controller is nearby. This setup gives you more precise controls, faster reactions, and a much more console-like Fortnite experience on iPad. So anyways guys, that'll be for this video. I hope it helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.